Sound literally can be used to shift the energy of literally, again, anything. It can work with the psyche to help to formulate ideas, to help formulate your creativity, to, in simplest form, to heal. Everything that we experience within our bodies, whether it be physical or emotional, when it comes to illness or impairment of that nature, it has a vibration to it. Our bodies are vibrating. Everything, our bodies are like a symphony of sound. Everything within our bodies has its own vibration. And when we're not feeling well, whether it be physical or emotional, what's going on in simplest terms is we're vibrating out of tune.